Good morning, everyone. Do you know today we are here present on the edge of the swimming pool? Can anybody tell me why is this? You know, in our class we were talking about flotation, in which we have few terms: buoyancy, Archimedes principle, that we learned theoretically. Today we are going to see the practical application of these two things. Firstly, we'll learn what is buoyancy, and then we will learn what is Archimedes principle. Right? When we go inside the water, we feel that water is applying force on us. And when we try to push something into the water, that force which we feel in pushing the object downwards, that opposing force is the buoyant force. Because liquids execute similar pressure in the upward manner to what? Oppose the coming object. This particular force is known as buoyant force. And on the basis of buoyant force, we have a law, or we can say principle, which is called Archimedes principle. In Archimedes principle, when a solid object is immersed in a fluid, an upward buoyant force acts on the object. The magnitude of the buoyant force is given by the Archimedes principle. According to the Archimedes principle, when a body is partially or completely immersed in a fluid, it experiences an upward thrust, which is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the immersed part of the body. As you can see here, we have submerged or put a stone inside the water. You can see the water has overflown it. And if we have to see how much water has been overflown from it, we are going to collect the whole water from it and then weigh it. The amount of the water which is being put out from the stone is equal to the buoyant force which has been applied by the water. So this was about the Archimedes principle. Now there is the buoyant force which we are going to see when we send our few students inside the swimming pool. Stand. Yes. You can feel that you are not able to pick him up completely. ठीक है? ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि आपका weight है. But now let's go inside the water. Everyone. Slowly. Everyone. One by one. Come on. Wait. जो जिसके साथ जाओ करो. Now lift each other easily. Now you can see yourself pulling the other student, lifting other one very easily. Do you know why this happened? Because the water is executing the buoyant force on the Shadab, Sarmad and Fazal. This is all because the water is applying the force. That is why you are able to lift other students very easily. So this is all about buoyancy and Archimedes principle.